Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Meet hardware checks for better video quality. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching Google Meet on your computer or device. Once on the main screen, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to open the preferences menu. In the menu, navigate to the video section. You will find options related to your video device settings here. Select your preferred camera from the drop-down menu. Ensure that the camera is functioning correctly by checking the preview window. Adjust the resolution settings if available, opting for the highest quality supported by your camera. Next, move to the audio section in the settings menu. Select your desired microphone and speaker from the listed options. Test your audio by tapping on the test button to confirm quality. If you have additional hardware, such as an external microphone or camera, ensure they are connected and selected in the appropriate fields. Return to the main screen and start or join a meeting to further gauge video quality. Once in the meeting, ask participants for feedback on both audio and video clarity. If issues persist, consider adjusting your internet connection to a more stable option. After implementing these changes, monitor your video quality in various lighting conditions and settings. This will ensure you achieve optimal performance for future meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.